Hi everyone, my name is Saul, uh, and today I want to share with you my daily routine as an English student. Um, I chose this activity because learning English is a fundamental part of my life. Um, I am dedicating all my effort to achieving my dream of becoming an English teacher. Okay. Um, My day start early, usually 6 a.m. I like to bank the day with a cup of coffee while keeping my mind active and receptive to English language. After that, I dedicated myself to my formal study routine. Um, First, I review the material from the previous day. This involves reading my notes, solving grammar exercise, and listening to audio recordings. And with the process is essential for consolidating what I have learned and preparing for the new material. Uh, After review, if I focus on the new material sometimes, and I feel the need to seek new language strategy. Uh, so I surf the internet for useful resource, and I also participate in online discussion forum. Uh, Interaction with other students and sharing my my debut and knowledge. Um, in in addition to my individual study, I also attend a technical English course. This course helps my deepen my knowledge and develop specific skill for teaching. Um, in class, we present projects and debate relevant topic and practice pronunciation. I believe that collaborative learning is very valuable. So I strive to establish relationships with my classmates. Mm, Outside the classroom, I enjoy watching movies, series in English, paying attention to pronunciation and vocabulary. I also try to read books and articles uh, in English to expand my vocabulary and improve my reading comprehension. Sometimes um, I allow myself to enjoy some music in English, singing my favorite song while relaxing my mind. Okay, it's very relaxing. Uh, my ultimate goals is to become an English teacher, and I am dedicating all my effort to achieve this dream. I know that the road is long and requires overcome many challenges. Uh, but I'm motivated and willing to invest the necessary time and energy. Okay, thank you very much.